Meaning of frivolous.
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 Frivolous. Frivolous is an adjective that describes something or someone as lacking in seriousness or importance. When something is frivolous, it is often considered to be trivial, silly, or not worthy of attention. Frivolous behavior can be seen as wasting time or being overly lighthearted in situations that require more gravity. A frivolous lawsuit, for example, is one that lacks merit or legal validity. This word can be used to describe a wide range of things, from actions and ideas to people and situations. Overall, frivolousness suggests a lack of substance and seriousness.